Another fruit and attribute of understanding the knowledge of Allah is to trust Allah. When you understand that Allah has full knowledge about my life and full knowledge about this universe, so whatever He says, that's based on knowledge. If He asks me to do something, there are millions of reasons, millions of benefits behind that, and I better do it. And if He says, don't do something, even though I'm not convinced, I don't have enough reasons, I should be 100% sure that Allah has millions of reasons for something that I should not. For example, you're tempted to drink alcohol. And you say, I just like to have fun. Why Allah is not allowing me to have fun, to enjoy myself a little bit and just have this? Well, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He says, don't drink alcohol, it's full of wisdom and full of all kinds of benefits and reasons. And not only you're not enjoying yourself, you're destroying yourself by drinking alcohol. And you could do many, many wrong things to your health, to your life. When Allah says, don't drink it, He has all kinds of knowledge about the alcohol, about ourselves, our creation, our body, the chemistry of our body, the biology of our body, everything. So the knowledge, when you have the knowledge that Allah has full knowledge of my life and everything, then we trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we trust Allah, as a result of this trust, we submit to Allah. Submission of the will, Islam comes as a result of knowing Allah and trusting Allah. And when you submit to Allah, then you start obeying Allah and worship Allah. Based on what? Based on the fact that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has full knowledge, and everything that He asks me to do is based on absolute knowledge, perfect knowledge, not relative knowledge, and it is full of benefits for me. So I better do what He is asking me. And when you say, Ya Allah, I'm ready to do whatever you ask me to do because I have enough trust in you, that is submission, that is Islam. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to live a life of submissiveness, be submissive to Allah and become more and more submissive every day, more and more submissive every month, every year, because the more we reflect about life, the more we reflect about Allah, the more we trust Allah, the more we learn about the benefits of the teachings of Allah, and that will make us a better servant of Allah, a more obedient and better worshipping of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.